Neil with 21st Century Equipment. Today we're going to be looking at this John Deere 1025R TLB, or Tractor Loader Backhoe. This backhoe comes factory equipped on this John Deere 1025R. But don't worry, if you need a backhoe attachment, we can install it after the fact on a tractor you already own or on a different model. If you've got trenches to dig or holes to dig, this TLB is the right attachment for you. I don't know about you, but I can only dig so much. This backhoe takes all the work out of it. This unit gets it done. Able to dig nearly 6 feet deep and do it quickly and easily. We're going to show you how easy it is to operate this backhoe attachment. The backhoe attachment on these 1025Rs is active when the engine's running. In a minute, I'm going to start the tractor. You're going to hear me kind of yelling over the sound of the engine, but we'll show you step by step how easy it is to operate. Just start the tractor in neutral. Make sure the parking brake is set. Go ahead and remove your seatbelt and climb down. I'm going to come around to these controls right here, which control my stabilizer arms. The stabilizer arms just help keep the tractor in place while we're doing that heavy digging. I'm going to come around to these controls. There is a safety latch down here in order to keep them up while we're doing other work. So I just raise that safety latch and lower the arm. Same thing on this side. Raise the safety latch and lower the arm into place. Now I'll make some final adjustments once I'm actually up on the tractor and in the seat. I'll flip the operator seat forward and put the backhoe seat in place. Got a handle here, handle there, as well as an easy use step in order to get me up onto this backhoe attachment. As I mentioned, the stabilizers are in place so that I can make adjustments, whether it's up or down, for maximum stability of the tractor while I dig. I want to make sure that the feet on these stabilizer pads themselves are well seated into the ground. Again, I want a stable platform while I'm up here doing my digging. These controls control the entire backhoe attachment. One of the first things I'm going to do is pull back on this lever. That will unlock this boom so that I can release the safety catch that holds the boom in place. In addition, I'm going to remove the swing lock. Again, this just keeps this in place while I'm doing other tasks with my tractor. Doesn't let anything move around. So I remove that, drop it into its handy holder right there, so it's available the next time I need it. As I mentioned before, this lever controls this big boom, whether it's down or up, as well as swing to the left and swing to the right. My right hand is going to control the outer part of this backhoe attachment, as well. Let's get the water out of it. Left and right, move the bucket, and out and in. I'm ready to dig. There we go. A nice good bited soil. Swing it to the side. Dump it out, and I'm well on my way to completing my digging project. When I get done with my digging project, it's simply a matter of raising the boom up into place. I'll curl the bucket, pull this part in, bring the boom back into place, put my boom lock back into place, locks this whole attachment into place as well. Now I'm going to pull out my swing safety switch, slip it down in there, and just wiggle a little bit to get it lined up and into place. Once this is all in place, I'm safe to go ahead and climb off this tractor, use my handles, climb down off the backhoe. From this side, raise this stabilizer into place. And around to the other side, raise this stabilizer into place. Now this tractor is ready to go back to being a regular tractor with a loader on the front. The John Deere backhoe attachment is easy to use, easier than a shovel and a pick, that's for sure. Come by your local 21st Century Equipment to check out the full line of John Deere backhoe attachments. We want to get you in the seat so you can see how easy it is to operate this attachment.